Assalamu alaikum. Today we are learning about learning emotion. Let's start the activity.
Let's start. What's the activity?
First, roll the dice.
Oh, now there comes the smiley face.
This is the face.
I guess this is the naughty one. Can you find the smiley face?
Yes. This is the face?
Oh, yes, you have found it correct. Now what are you going to do?
Making with the dough.
You're making the same face which came on the dice. And you're going to make this with the dough. Okay. Let's see. Okay.
Second eye.
Second eye. Yay, that's very interesting. Oh, great. Wow, it just looks like this same smiley face over here. Wow. Can you play the game again once more?
Yes.
What are you going to do? First tell us, what are you going to do?
Learning. Let's roll the dice again.
Oh, so there comes the naughty face.
This is the face?
Oops, I don't think so.
This is the face?
Yes, it is looking just the same. Wow. So what we are going to do now?
Making with the dough.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so the eyes are ready.
Now the face.
Okay. Huh?
Oh.
This is it a smiley face? But we have to make the naughty face. Are the eyes same of the naughty face?
No.
No. Okay. Well, this is little tough.
Try again.
You want to try again? Okay. This is little tough. Okay, now the eyes are the same like that face. Oh, so this is the tongue? Oh, it's a very naughty face. Like it's looking extremely cute. Well done.